कौन सा चैप्टर पढ़ा?
रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम।
रेस्पिरेटरी यही सब पढ़ा?
यस सर।
चलिए तो देखिए सभी लोग लिविंग हैं?
यस सर।
All of you are living?
Yes, sir.
So there are some special characters you have जिसके बेस पे आप कह सकते हैं कि आप लिविंग। Okay, so can you imagine what are the characters you are having that we can identify that this particular is living or not? Anyone? Directly respiration. Directly respiration actually. Sit down. Any other? Yes, girls. Anyone? No. Yes.
Respiration and growth.
Growth and respiration what you are telling? Respiration. So in all organs you can identify that all are respiring. Suppose microbes are there. Other than that, what are the characters? These are the characters for the living. Okay, what are another characters? Other than that, you are having your body, you are having your organization. Locomotion, what it is? Locomotion. And the character?
Circulatory system as well.
Circulatory system or circulation.
Circulation, yes.
And that is related with the fluid. That is related with the fluid. And basically that is related with the protoplasm. Okay. And after that, what you are telling?
Digestion.
Digestion, growth, and reproduction. Okay, so sit down. These all characters are there. On which basis we can say that if such type of characters are existing in the organism, अगर इस सारे कैरेक्टर एग्जिस्ट कर रहे हैं तो हम क्या कह सकते हैं? दैट पर्टिकुलर इज लिविंग। ठीक है, तो जब बात करते हैं किसी भी काम को करने के लिए हमको क्या चाहिए? एनर्जी। और फ्रॉम वेयर वी आर गेटिंग द एनर्जी?
फूड सर, रेस्पिरेशन।
नहीं, अगर आप कह रहे हैं कि ग्लूकोज, तो क्या आपके पास ग्लूकोज का कोई भंडार है? बड़ा हुआ नहीं, कोई बाहर है ग्लूकोज का किलो ग्लूकोज आ जाए। अच्छा, मान लेते हैं
ऑक्सीजन।
तो क्या आपको खुद से एनर्जी मिलती है?
सर ऑक्सीजन
ऑक्सीजन मिलता है?
नहीं, ऑक्सीजन
ग्लूकोज मिलता है।
Yes, sir.
ग्लूकोज में क्या मिलता है?
ग्लूकोज।
और ग्लूकोज क्या करता है? ग्लूकोज एनर्जी दे देगा? अंजलि बता रही, खड़े हो जाओ। ग्लूकोज में एनर्जी दे देगा?
नो सर।
फिर
सर वो ऑक्साइडाइज होगा, एटीपी में कन्वर्ट होगा।
इसका क्या होगा? ऑक्सीडेशन।
यस सर।
इट विल परफॉर्म द ऑक्सीडेशन। ऑक्सीडेशन क्या होता है?
सर ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ ग्लूकोज।
Breakdown of it is leading for the breakdown of, तो इससे क्या मिलेगा हमें?
सर ATP
क्या मिलेगा? ATP ग्लूकोज के ऑक्सीडेशन से, यानी कि यहाँ पर जो ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है, ऑक्सीडेशन का मतलब क्या है? एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन।
अच्छा
अच्छा, so it is related with the addition of oxygen. Okay, so if it is addition of the oxygen, so from where the oxygen will come? No, the oxygen producer. Plants are the oxygen producer. Environment. So from where you will get the oxygen? Environment. It is from environment. And what is the process going on by which you are obtaining the oxygen? Photosynthesis. You are plant. From where you will obtain the oxygen? Breathing, which is related with the respiration. Which is related with the okay, class. So basically,
may I say
yeah, we have to start with the respiration. Okay, so respiration, that is related with the oxidation of the food. That is related with the oxidation of food. Okay, so what is the need of the respiration? How we will obtain the energy? So with the help of this video, you can understand.
To conduct various physical and mental activities, body cells need a lot of energy. These activities could be anything from producing new cells to conducting electrical impulses through nerve cells. Energy is also required to synthesize proteins from amino acids.
All the parts are clear? Okay, so basically because we have to study the respiration, so along with that, that is also related with the digestion system. Okay, if suppose this one is the digestive system, okay, and this one is the respiratory system. Okay, along the circulation also, that is getting connected with the respiration. So first, that is circulation. Second one, that is respiration. And third one, that is digestion. So these all the process performing the function, the production of the energy, the transportation of the energy, along with that, the removal of the waste. Getting? So in this particular process, the respiration is very necessary. It is having the physical structure of the respiratory system, that is having the different component, different organ, different tissue. Getting?
Produce enzymes, maintain body temperature, contract muscles during movements, etc. All this energy is derived from glucose, a carbohydrate which is obtained from the food we eat. Respiration.
Getting class? So from food, what we are getting? We are getting the nutrition. What we are getting? Okay, last time I also told regarding that whenever we are obtaining the food, either it is providing the glucose and whatever the components are there, so they are necessary for our survival. They are necessary for our survival. So that process is called the uptake of the food, that is called nutrition, which is responsible for the production of the glucose molecule. Which is responsible for the production of the glucose molecule. And from the glucose, the isolation of energy. From the glucose, the isolation of energy, that is known as breakdown of breakdown of food or glucose or the nutrient, whatever it is. So the process is called respiration. Only with the help of the respiration we can obtain the energy. Okay, so that is the definition given here. What? A chemical process of releasing energy by breaking down of glucose. What it is written? The breaking down of glucose. This is responsible for the production of the energy which will be utilized in all the living process. Different type of the physiological process are going on. Okay, all of you are aware about the physiological process. Whatever the process which are performing within the living system or cells.
Is a chemical process of releasing energy by breaking down glucose for carrying out life processes. The glucose is oxidized by the oxygen to reduce.
Okay, this is the reaction. Ready? This is the reaction in which you can identify what is going on. The glucose. Okay, which is obtained from the food. Okay, so that is glucose. From the environment, we are obtaining the oxygen. We are obtaining the oxygen. It is interacting with the glucose and producing the energy. This is the basic need, what we want from the food, from the glucose, from the respiration. Because each and every time the energy is required. Energy is required every time. Energy is required every time. So the respiration process is performing continuously. Get it? So as soon as the continuation, it will produce the energy. That energy will be available for our cells, tissue, organ system, whatever the components are there, whatever the physiological, morphological, growth, development, digestion, and along with that, whatever the symptoms are there regarding the living organism, whatever the process is that is performing in a living system, either in circulation, locomotion, skeletal system, tissue system, blood pumping, circulation, oxygen, respiration, all these things along with the digestion also, and also in the reproduction. All the things need energy which have to be obtained from the glucose in the help of the oxygen. Okay, so this will be the reaction glucose plus oxygen C6H12O6. Okay, so the formula is clear. C6H12. How many carbons are there? 6 carbons. Okay, getting mixed up with the oxygen producing the carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide from the lungs will release to the external environment. Getting?
Yes.
Okay, so that is a byproduct along with the water vapor. Along with the water vapor and whatever the energy that will produce by the process, so that we have to obtain and utilize. Getting?
These carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Respiration is a vital function. All living organisms need to respire to stay alive.
Okay, so whatever the organism are there, either it is saprophytic, what it is? Saprophyte, what it is? No, which organism are? It is mushroom. In which category it is falling? You have studied the classification. Fungus. What it is? Fungus. Okay. That is fungi. Okay. Along with that, what are these? Microbes. What are these? Microbes. Okay. This is aquatic, plant, dog, bird, insect, and human. Okay, so all are the organisms, they are performing the respiration, in which manner they are obtaining the energy.
Respiration that occurs inside the living cells of an organism is called cellular or tissue respiration. It is initiated in the cytoplasm and complete.
So So class, all the part are clear?
Yes, sir.
What are cytoplasm? What are cell wall? Different type of the cell organelle. What it is?
Nucleus.
This. What it is?
Vacuole.
Vacuole. This.
Chloroplast.
What it is? What it is? This dot like appearance. What it is? Ribosome. Okay. What it is? Nuclear acid. What it is? Okay. What it is? Endoplasmic. What it is? Golgi body, Golgi apparatus. And what it is?
Cell wall.
And below the cell wall, what will be? Okay. So these are the all the parts existing in the cell. Clear to you? Okay. So now we will discuss about the process in the cell. Okay, what is going on? What it is? Mitochondria. These are important.
Concentration are the same in plants and animals. It occurs in a series of steps controlled by enzymes.
So class, mitochondria. What is the another name of the mitochondria? It is called powerhouse of the cell. It means whatever the energy in the living system, that is a part of the cell, that is a part of the cell. So whatever the energy that is existing or producing for the different type of metabolic process. All of you are aware about the metabolism? All of you are aware about the metabolism? How many types are there? So what was the metabolism? What was metabolism? Don't know. Breakdown है? What is the term? Like this?
Yes, sir.
Got or not? Concept of metabolism. And you are writing this? This one is there?
Yes.
Metabolism. So class, that is given somewhere. Take it out. You can utilize the answer. So getting? Can read now? From here. Metamorphosis, metabolism, the marked and rapid transformation of a larva into an adult. So metamorphosis you have studied?
No, sir.
No. That was in that now. Not able to search. Okay, some problem is there. So we are coming to the back. So class, we will talk about the metabolism. So what it is? It is related with the and what it is? Production and the breakdown of energy. What it is?
Production and breakdown of energy.
Production
And breakdown of energy.
and breakdown. So all these processes performing within a living system. Where these are performing? In a living system. Okay. So what is called? Metabolic. How many types are there?
Two.
First one. These are responsible for the energy getting. So first one, that is metabolic. What was it? That is related to the cation. I told you. That manner, it will be responsible for the production of the energy. It will be responsible for the production of energy getting. And the second one, metabolic. That is related with the breakdown of the okay, we need for the breakdown. It means in this process the consumption will take place of the energy. Okay. So now we are coming to the topic that was going on.
Most energy released is in the form of heat, and a large portion of energy is converted into ATP, that is, adenosine triphosphate, a source of energy for all living organisms. In plants, energy is stored and transported within the cell in the form of ATP. When energy is released, ATP is converted to ADP. When
Okay, class, so all of you are aware about this. What is ATP? What is ATP? And what is the powerhouse of the cell? Okay. So in which form our system will get the energy? So that is called energy currency of the cell. It is called. Okay. So that is having the 3-phosphate molecule adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate which is having 3-phosphate molecule. What is it? Like that. Adenosine triphosphate.